Let's explore how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing emergency services, response times, deployment, and the intellectual property driving this innovation. IoT refers to a network of interconnected devices that collect and exchange data. In emergency services, this technology is a game changer for first responders. The core benefit of IoT in emergency situations is drastically improving response times, which is critical in saving lives. Connected sensors and devices provide immediate, actionable data that can cut down precious minutes during an emergency. Real-time data from IoT devices like smart home systems can trigger automated calls and provide immediate location details for faster dispatch. Connected vehicles and city infrastructure allow for real-time traffic updates, enabling dispatchers to find and guide responders along the fastest routes. Beyond functionality, let's look at the deployment statistics and projected growth of IoT in emergency sectors. Adoption rates are rising globally, particularly in developed regions, as cities invest in smart infrastructure to enhance public safety. Future projections show exponential growth, with a push towards wider coverage and more deeply integrated IoT systems across police, fire, and medical services. The intellectual property landscape is fascinating, showing us where innovation is most concentrated in emergency IoT technology. Patent filings in this sector are increasing, focusing on everything from data transmission efficiency to specialized sensor development. Key areas of patent activity include connected ambulances with advanced telemetry, drone technology for aerial surveillance, and smart vests for first responders. While the benefits are clear, the deployment of emergency IoT systems is not without its challenges. Handling sensitive real-time data means data security and privacy must be paramount. Breaches could compromise both operational integrity and public trust. Interoperability is a major technical hurdle, ensuring different devices and agency systems can talk to each other seamlessly during a multifaceted emergency. Looking ahead, the integration of IoT promises to reshape emergency response fundamentally. In summary, IoT's impact on response time, deployment, and operational efficiency translates directly into more lives saved and improved outcomes during crises. Keep an eye on the IP trends. Innovation in this space indicates a future where emergency services are faster, smarter, and profoundly connected.